So we're just gonna get right into it. We're not gonna waste any time. This is the Yeezy Gap engineered by Balenciaga Dove hoodie. The color is black washed, or no, the color is washed black. This retailed for $240. My size is a size extra small. All right, let's open it. Okay, so first look, Gap on the front in black, black on black Gap. Ew, my hoodie's strangling me. Yeezy, extra small, made in the US. Dove on the back. You can definitely see it has that kind of washed vintage look. It's double lined. The inside layer, if you could tell, is like a t-shirt. If you would have a long t-shirt material, that's the inside layer, and the outside is typical like hoodie material, sweatshirt material. The opening is like a small oval. And then something else is the sleeves. It looks as though this part is just tucked in, but it doesn't come out. So that's just how it is. It's just like this. If I were to tuck this in, that's how the sleeves are, which I didn't notice that on the pictures. Okay, should we try it on? Like, what are we waiting for? That's why you're here, right? To see how it looks on. Okay, so here it is. So final thoughts. This is extra small for reference. I typically wear a size small, medium in women's. I'm 5'2". This hoodie is definitely oversized, but I do feel like, given that it's oversized, this is a good oversized look. The thing is, it's very heavy, super heavy and very warm. So I know I probably won't be getting anywhere out of it after the next month or so. Very oversized, very comfortable. There's a lot of fabric. I kind of feel like the arms and the shape of this is supposed to be like dovey, like the dove silhouette when a dove puts his arms out. Very nice hoodie. You can feel the quality. Super heavy. Hey, if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. Alright, y'all, so as always, if you like this video, you want to see more of my videos, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, and comment down below what you think about it.